We're gonna play with the GoPro and the monster trucks in the water. You can do it! I'm gonna ride this guy around underwater, okay? Boy, play hide and go seek. You wanna ramp the monster trucks down the stairs? Get set, go! Ready or not, here we come! Ah, there he is! Where were you? When I say go, roll him off, okay? 1, 2, 3, go! Alright, you guys, welcome to the show. Today we have a really cool monster truck. Have you ever seen anything like that? These are the Monster Jam ones. And it's a monster truck dump truck. I've never seen this, you guys. So cool.
And there's Alien Invasion and Overkill Evolution.
Overkill Evolution, we've never seen that one either. Actually,
no, and there's one of Off-Road.
So we're gonna open these up, and we are by a pool. We were by a pool, you guys. It's kind of cold, but Axel really wanted to go swimming. Axel wanted to use the GoPro too. You got it on?
Yeah, it is.
Alright, first we're gonna open the monster trucks, and then we're gonna play with the GoPro and the monster trucks in the water. River?
River can play with.
You can play with Alien Invasion.
I'm gonna be Overkill Invasion.
I'm gonna be this one because it's so cool.
You're gonna be that one anyway.
Look,
right?
you guys, it is so cool. It's a dump truck monster truck. I want to use this character as a big monster truck, so hopefully they make a big one. Hey man, you want to ramp in the water?
Yeah.
Alright, whoa!
Oh, they don't float.
They're sinking down in the water. Somebody needs to rescue them. I'm coming after you. I went too far. I'm sinking.
The camera will rescue them.
Look, they sink. See that?
You guys are gonna try to rescue them with me. Okay? But first, I'm gonna put you at the bottom and do a cannonball.
You gonna get him? You can do it! You can do it! Ah! You left them down there! They're still down there underwater! Alright, you guys, well, you guys are underwater and the monster trucks are underwater. Someone's got to rescue them. Are you going to do it?
I accidentally knocked him further down there, and that's my
Yeah. That was definitely not head first. Well, I think I'm going to have to jump in there and rescue you guys and the monster trucks. Alright, you guys, I'm going to jump in and rescue you guys and the monster trucks. Come on, let's do it. We got 2 of them here. Axel threw him in again. What are you doing? Come on, we gotta go back down and get him now. Stop throwing him in! He keeps throwing the monster trucks in. Alright guys, let's throw him in some more, okay? This time we're gonna watch him drop underwater, okay? Ready? That's how you watch Axel drop underwater. Ready? Let's drop in. Alright, ready? 1, 2. Axel threw the ball. You better look out, or I'm gonna get you. He's gonna try to get us. Oh! Ready? Get the ball. Get it. Don't push her in, bro. Be careful. Oh. All right, you guys. We're gonna have a race. We're gonna roll all 3 of these monster trucks off. And we're gonna see which one hits the bottom of the pool first, okay? Which one do you think hit the bottom first? What do you think?
Yeah.
That one?
overkill level.
I think that the earth shake will hit it first. It'll shake
Remember, do you think alien invasion?
When I say go, roll them off, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. How did you know?
I didn't.
Oh my gosh, you guys, Axel was right. So
You
the
were
overkill,
totally wrong.
no, like overkill touched like just like a half of a hairs of a breadth right before the alien invasion one, and
And
then
this
he
one
came
did
way
less.
later. Yeah. All right, you guys, Axel's gonna jump in the water. Ready? Alright, I'm gonna ride this guy around underwater, okay? Ready? Okay. Alright, you guys. Yeah. Alright, you guys, we're gonna do one more cannonball in the pool, and then we're gonna go play hide and go seek with our monster trucks in the
We
house,
have
okay?
3, so that's good because like
Me, you, and River. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready? When I say go, jump in. 1, 2, 3, go! Alright, let's go inside and play hide and go seek with our monster trucks. Alright, 1, 2, 3, shut that off.
No, it didn't be like that.
Oh, we got water all over the camera. We're shaking the water off of ourselves. All right, you guys, so before, whoa, not yet. Look at these stairs, you guys. We're staying at this place in Florida, and they have stairs. So, before we play hide and go seek, you wanna ramp the monster trucks down the stairs? All right, yeah, you wanna do it? All right, you ready? All right, see who makes it down first, okay? On your mark. Start your engine, River. Get set, go!
None of us.
Who went farthest? Mine went the farthest, but nobody made it to the bottom. Okay, let's try it again, okay? We're gonna try it again and see if we can get them to make it to the bottom. Alright, you ready, bro? On your mark. River, you ready? Go, go, go! Mine won. Yours almost won. It was in first, but then it just stopped.
It's like this much farther.
This is just the coolest monster truck.
This is the coolest monster truck ever. Overkill.
You know what overkill means? Do you guys know what overkill means? So overkill means you're just overdoing it, right? Like if I step on your toe, and I'm like, I'm so sorry, Axel. But then I was like, I'm so sorry, Axel. I stepped on your toe. I'm so sorry. Oh. I don't really need to do that, right? That's overkill, right? All right, hide and seek. Alright, so who's gonna hide first?
Me and River.
Alright, so you guys go hide upstairs. I'll hang out down here with this monster truck while you guys hide, okay?
Bye.
Alright, you guys count with me, okay? Then we're gonna go find them. I'm counting to 30. 1, 2, 3, 4. 30! Ready or not, here I come! You were supposed to hide, River. Your monster truck isn't hidden. You're silly. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Come on, let's find Axel's monster truck. In here. Nope, not in there. What, are you hiding? I thought you were just hiding your monster truck. Get him! Aw. I thought my monster truck would get you. Ah, you made it. So I thought you were just hiding the monster truck, but you were hiding?
No, I just went under the bed to get the monster truck.
Oh, okay. All right, you guys, we got the GoPro now because it's easier to record when we're playing hide and seek. All right, so who's gonna hide this time?
You.
Me? Okay. All right, I'm gonna hide with this monster truck. You guys hide with me, okay? You ready? Count. 30. I'm gonna go upstairs and hide. I'm gonna hide under this. It's dark in here. I got my flashlight. Okay, we gotta be quiet because Axel's coming. No, you found us!
I've hidden in here before.
You didn't hear before?
So that's why I know.
You found us. Get out of here. You're stuck. Did you find me? Bubba found me. Okay, guys, so I think I'm stuck. I can't. It's not funny. I can't get out.
Your butt's too big.
Oh, man.
Is your butt too big?
Oh no, my butt is too big. It won't let me out. How did I get in here?
You want a Pidgeot?
I can't get out. Oh. Ow.
You want a Pikachu? Sideways?
There we go. Alright, there we go. I was stuck legit, you guys. Wow. Okay, you ready? So I'm gonna count, you hide, okay? Alright, you guys. Me and this monster truck are gonna count. Axel's gonna hide.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
29, 30. Ready or not? Here we come. Let's go find him. Ready or not? Here we come. Hey, you didn't hide. You didn't hide. Let's go find Axel. I got a feeling he's downstairs. Oh, he got stuck. Oh. Ready to go. Alright. Let's see. Where is he? There. Oh! He's in the dryer! Axel, okay, you can't get in the dryer, okay?
So I have to hide again?
Yes, hide again, okay? Yeah. Okay, you guys. Never get in here. You should never get in any appliance. Refrigerator, freezer,
I was hiding.
dryer, washing machine, dishwasher. Never ever get in appliances, you guys. It can be really dangerous. Really dangerous.
Can I hide in the toilet?
No, especially not the toilet.
Oh, because someone might flush it.
And you go right down the toilet. No, you couldn't even fit in the toilet. Okay, hide again, okay? 1. $29, $30. Ready or not? Here we come. There he is! Where were you? Axel's gonna show you guys. He can't show me where he is. He's gonna show you guys where he is.
Oh, Dad's gonna show you. But you're not gonna edit.
I'm not gonna edit it, yeah.
I hid, right?
You showed him? Alright, we'll have fun.
Well, yeah. Well, let's play hot or cold to find the hiding spot.
Okay, alright, we're gonna play hot or cold. I'm gonna try to find a hiding spot.
coming when I'm hot.
It's somewhere where there's pants. And
Well, that's easy.
There.
yes.
You gave it away. I think somewhere where there's pants. In fact, it's the only place where there's pants. You're funny, bro. All right, can you say goodbye?
Bye.
Bye. Oh. Keep doing it. You want to say bye? Bye, you guys. You guys get out. Use your imaginations to find creative ways to live your life and love everyone around you. No matter what you have, no matter where you are, you can have fun and enjoy your life just like you see us doing every day. Just use your imagination. If you have some monster trucks, maybe you're going to go to a pool sometime, bring your monster trucks there and run around the pool. Throw them in. It's so much fun. And if you have a brother or sister, or maybe your mom or dad, ask them if they'll play hide and go seek with you. Hide and go seek is so much fun.
And hot or cold.
And hot or cold, yeah, that's fun too.
All right, we'll see you later. Bye.